How to fix Facebook slow loading. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get things running smoothly again. First, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. From there, close out any other apps running in the background that might be eating up memory or bandwidth. After that, long press the Facebook app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this point, tap App Info. Following this, tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be slowing things down. At this stage, back out and tap Force Stop. Following this, tap OK to confirm. From here, if it's still loading slowly, go back into storage and tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out completely, so make sure you know your login details before continuing, and confirm when prompted. At this stage, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. From here, open Facebook and check whether it's loading faster now. That's how you fix Facebook's slow loading. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.